welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, guess what, we are inside of my Jeep for today's video. So I'm literally so happy, dude. I've had this Jeep for about a year now, and literally this is gonna be I can't even speak right now. I'm just so ecstatic. This is gonna be my 1 year review for the Jeep. And so let's get this video started. So this is a 2020 Jeep, 2020 Wrangler, 4x4. It's not lifted. She is not lifted. She has a V6. She's got a turbo engine, whatever. I gotta take her in for an oil change already. I literally haven't had any tire rotations whatsoever because that's how good she's doing. Like, the tires are really good. I just love it. Like, I love it so much. I don't even have any complaints whatsoever. This is my first 4x4 car. She did amazing in the snow back in February. Literally, it was the snowiest Valentine's Day I've ever had in my life. And I didn't even drive her because I let my man take her to the I just didn't even drive her. So yeah, but my boyfriend drove her in the snow. And so we did like 2 to 3 off-road trips, which is like those dirt roads, those mountain roads, like mountain trails basically for cars. We've done that. We've done like 2 or 3 of those, but we wanted to do more in the winter. We never got the chance to do it because our work schedules just picked up, and we were happy to do that. What did we... No, that was the pandemic. Yeah, we didn't really do anything for the pandemic because we were scared or whatever. What did we do? So I've had the tops off for about like 3 trips. I've been wanting to have the tops off more, but the fires happened, so I don't want the air quality, getting to me. Having the tops off is such a different feeling than just taking off the sunroof in your car. Like, I've had like the window, like it was called moonroof in the Corolla. I had a 2015 Corolla. My God. So yeah. Oh my God. This video is very difficult. Yeah, so I went from a 2015 Toyota Corolla to a Jeep Wrangler, and that was pretty interesting. Hard. I thought it was going to be very difficult to parallel park and whatnot. It's not even, like, literally, when I'm in this Jeep, I feel, like, not that big either. I'm still, there's so many days where I think I'm not going to fit into a certain parking spot, or I think I'm too big to like merge into this one spot because the lane's ending or something like that. And literally, like, my boyfriend will be in the passenger seat, or I'll think about it, or I'll see someone like direct me like a little bit, and then it turns out it fits. So it's good. It's all good. I really like it. I haven't lifted her up yet because I'm just scared to. I don't want to lift her up yet. I'm just like not. I'm insecure about that a little bit. I haven't driven off. You can take the doors off. You can literally wash if the inside of it gets so dirty. You can wash the inside of it, and there won't be a problem. What else can I say? So the interesting thing about this Jeep is you can't Bluetooth it without a cable, without like a certain like. You have to connect it to the Jeep, and like physically you have to connect it in order to play Bluetooth, versus other cars you can just connect to the Bluetooth like sync, like you just push a button on your phone and it syncs to it and it's all good. So that's a little different. Same with GPS. You have to connect your phone with a cable like this. Like, I have to buy a cable like that and connect it. But it will charge at the same time that it's using it, so that's good. That's a difference for me because I used to have my dog like right here in the Corolla. I used to have my dog like right here behind me in the back seat, and then it feels so good to finally have my dog like all the way back there and not like have him in my business while I'm eating and stuff like that. And he has his own space back there, so that's pretty good. I haven't taken a detailing yet. I've been doing like my own detailing, so it's not even that easy. Just because it's bigger than a normal car, I would think it was gonna be more difficult and more harder, but it really isn't. Like, I love it. It's such a advancement for me. Like, I thought I was just being cool buying a Jeep, but it really has helped me out in so many ways. I love it. I don't even care about how much money I put in gas because I love driving. Like, I don't even care. I just love to drive. I'll get in my car and go out for drives because that's how much I love to drive. I have been thinking about getting a cage back there because I have a lot of dog clients. So I'm gonna get a cage like that fence, like that, basically like a fence for like the car, because I've had clients like jump over, so I don't really like that. I think I'm gonna do that. I do want to put that into the Jeep, putting like a cage back there. I want to get bigger tires, and I do want to lift her, but just not yet. And I was gonna get a because I like going camping, so I'm gonna get a light, what's it called, a light ramp, or it was like this, it's like light bulbs, it's like this ray of light right here on the outside of it. You put it on, and it's literally not even expensive. Like last time I checked, it was like, well, when I was shopping for it, it wasn't even expensive, but it wasn't that cheap either. But then I got like insecure because I don't know, like I get these, as a person, I get these ideas, and I get these like furniture ideas, customization ideas, or whatever, and then I get insecure when like the day gets closer. I get a little insecure and I don't do it because I'm just a person like that. To get like a cover for the tire wheel, I will do that because it's amazing. The tire wheel looks so good. Let me flip this over for you. The tire wheel looks amazing for 1 year, but I just want to get a wheel cover. This is what she looks like right here. She's offline right now because I'm not going to waste gas right now. I'm not going to sit here and blast the AC, but she looks great for 1 year. Literally, like this is like the screen and stuff. It looks great for 1 year. She hasn't even had a tire rotation because she's doing great like that. Yeah, like the speakers, whatever. I was gonna show the speakers and whatnot, but no, like that's not. You guys don't care about that. The difference is that my seats are cloth, and my Corolla seats were leather, so it doesn't even get hot in here like a leather seat car would. It actually isn't even that hot. It's pretty chill. Like I like it in here, and in the winter it's not that cold either. It's chill, you know. It's okay. It's cool to deal with. Yeah. Yeah, I don't really have I would hit you with the science facts, and I would, do more and stuff, but there's really not much to talk about. Like oh yeah, because I haven't added like all the cool stuff to it, but I think I will. I think I'll lift it up, and I do want to lift her up because when I go out for the Jeep roads, like the mountain trails for the cars, rocks could possibly damage the bottom of your car, like the bottom, so you got to be careful for that. That's why a lot of people lift their cars, so that just to prevent anything like that. And also Washington State, it's been getting kind of bad lately with the floods, like with rain and stuff like that. So just to prevent like any weirdness down under, like, you got to take care of it. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm in Jeep clubs, and I haven't, dude, I'm such a bad person. I haven't even gone on a Jeep drive. I've been wanting to go so bad on Jeep drives, and I've been wanting to go to the beach and hang out with Jeep people and just chill with them and stuff. But literally, my work life has been pretty good lately, so I'm just busy doing me, and I'm chill. Like, I literally go to the beach and I'm just chilling on the roof of my Jeep. It feels so good to just chill in front of it and like rest my behind on it and just look at the sunset and whatnot. That feels really, really good. So yeah. Oh, the light went out right there. So what else can I say? Yeah, that's all I gotta say. Thank you so much for coming with me. I really appreciate it. And when I add on stuff to it, I'll make a video and show you guys. But other than that, like, I'm happy being a Jeep girl. It's been 1 whole year since I've been a Jeep girl or Jeep woman or whatever, and I like it, and people like my Jeep too, and I like their Jeeps. And I always see other people with Jeeps, they got rooftop stuff, and they got a whole bunch of like add-ons, and they got stickers and stuff. I'm not interested in getting stickers. That was a thing. I used to want stickers on my car, but that was like when I was a kid, and not anymore. I don't want stickers on my car like that. But yeah, I hope you guys, thank you so much for coming to watch this video. Thank you so much for listening to me, because I just like to talk a lot. And I hope you guys are having a great day. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you would do if you had a Jeep. I don't even know why I never went and put the light ramp on the Jeep. I should. Like, it doesn't even matter. I should go get a light ramp, because I'm blind as fuck, and I'm over here acting like I'm not blind at all. And so yeah. I don't even know what I'm saying. But yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and you guys take care. I didn't know. Ooh, that. Oh, so that's a tent, right, on the roof. So Andrew wants that. Either he wanted like like for example, let's use that example. He wanted like the little ladder, and he wanted the tent. But the tent costs like how much? 2,000? Like 1,000. Yeah, it's like a nice price. You know what I'm saying? So it's a cute little price that we have to work towards too, and it's kind of hard to just buy it because we're not gonna go camping right now. You know what I'm saying? And I'm a pussy. I'll straight up say it out here right now. I'm not gonna go camping like this. I go camping. What is it? July? I don't even go camping. I used to go camping, but I'm trying to relive that lifestyle of me. And yeah, I thought about getting some chains for the car. Oh, that's a. And we do the Jeep wave, dude. I love that. I didn't even know that was a thing when you bought a Jeep. Like, Andrew told me. Oh, that hit still got me. So I be doing Jeep waves, and you're supposed to go like this, but I be going like that, like whatever. And then some people are rude. They don't even look at you, or some people do it last minute, or they do it all the way down there from the street, and I'll be like, hey, that's so cool. So
this means now I will have spent all the holidays.
I'm not putting. Hey, I'm doing a vlog here. I'm not gonna put stickers. I'm not gonna put I want to get like a hoodie that says like Jeep with the little paw prints. Andrew wants tinted windows. I want some tints. Yeah, definitely gonna get some tints. Tints. Gonna do that tint.
Don't you want the gas cap that looks cool? The cover?
No. What? You know what? I was always obsessed. Like somehow in some way I still have it in my soul. I love it when cars have the Autobot sticker versus Decepticons. Ooh. Like there's actual cars out here that have Decepticon stickers and the other cars have Autobot. I would be an Autobot, and so like I would want that like on the gas cap, but it's cute. But it's also like you know what, Jeeps, you guys put personalities on your Jeeps. I see those like those covers on the lights where it looks like the Jeep's glaring like at you, and then see there's a couple in the Jeep. You saw trucks right now, they look friendly. Like my Jeep looks totally friendly. My Jeep totally looks like a girl's driving it, but in a unisex way. And Andrew even told me, he's like, you want to put eyelashes on your Jeep? And I was like, no, like I only wear eyelashes to like barely go out, you know. And so he's like, you want to put the hooded ones to like make it look evil? And I'm like, no. Because I'm not evil. I'll like maybe pull over to help you. And then I did think about getting like the emergency kit and all that stuff to like pull someone out, but then at the same time like I wouldn't really, it's a trap, you know. Like I would like I don't know, like, you know, it's kind of I am indecisive. If you're like watching this video and you're like, ew, what the fuck, I'm gonna exit out because she's just so she doesn't know what she wants. Like, why should she get a Jeep? But I got a Jeep because I'm 24 years old, and it's not cool calling your mom up for help to go get groceries and go to work, and you know, and then when she would be with me, I couldn't like go get weed, I couldn't go get alcohol, you know. Like she'll be watching like at the grocery store, I'll be like, oh, I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna get that. It was kind of awkward. So yeah, so it's not cool. And then, you know, I live in Washington State, so I live in an area in Washington where it's all 4 seasons, you know. So and also another theory, I want it to be apocalypse ready. So like in case, like Red Dawn, just think of Red Dawn, you know, like just think of the first OG version of Red Dawn. Like one day, wake up, bullshit's outside the window. So I wanted to just escape to the mountains as quick as I'm not supposed to say where I'm supposed to go. But yeah, there's plenty of mountains by, so maybe you won't find me. But yeah, so just think of that, Red Dawn, you know, dun dun dun. And yeah, the only con is, oh, and you know what, she's so much more easier to drive. At 18 years old, I was always driving my mom's Titan, and it was really like hard to drive it. Like like I even backed up into it. Like I made an accident in the garage. So yeah. Yeah. And then, so I backed up the Titan, and the trucks are so hard to drive, but this Jeep is so cute. And it turns out she has a turbo engine, so she's like a, I don't know, like a race car or something. I'll let Andrew take over and explain that scientifically, because I don't want to sound like I know what I'm talking about, because I don't know what I'm talking about. Like, I didn't even know that. Like, when I went into the store to buy a Jeep, I was aiming for Jeep 4x4, and people were trying to convince me. They're like, go get a 2-door, and I'm like, I don't want a 2-door. I mean, I do, like, because it's convenient. I don't have friends, I don't have people that I hang out with, so I'll get a 2-door. And I did walk in with that. I was like, I'm gonna get a 2-door Jeep, but then I was like, actually, like, I'm only gonna get older, so I might just expand, like, my life, you know, like my little family or whatever. So yeah, my little family, you know. Oh, see, that's, oh my god, no. I can't see him anymore. Oh my god, yeah, that Jeep has, I'll just post pictures. Is that, no, it's not a Jeep. Is that a Jeep? No. Where's the Jeep? Well, we're in Everett. We're probably not, oh, is that a Jeep? We're not gonna see one.
So I remember when I was a kid.
Yeah, we're in Everett. There's no Jeeps out here.
I wanted a Jeep. That 4-door Jeep did not exist.
Oh, what?
Yeah, there was only 2-door Jeeps.
Only 2-door Jeeps?
Yeah, and then they came out with the 4-door Jeep, and it looked so weird at that time.
It looks so weird.
Like,
Damn.
what is that? Whoa, it's so cool. It's finally a Jeep that you can actually like do stuff with and carry stuff.
Is that a Jeep? No.
Jeep Patriot.
Ah, it's so hard out here. Oh my god, it's gruesome. It's gruesome out here, dude. Corey? Yeah, there you go. Corey. That's not a Jeep.